Well, it looks like we won't be seeing Christian Craig for at least a couple more weeks, or at least that's what he says. Now, obviously, if you missed it, he is back with Star Racing after his time with Husqvarna, probably as a, he got the 450 ride. Yes, he is a star, or he's a Yamaha racer, but more off, I'm assuming he's probably a big part of this contract is, hey, you're Hayden Deegan's trainer, or somebody to help mentor, or whatever you want to call it. If you missed it, in his 250 time, or just in general when he hasn't been injured, Christian Craig is incredibly smooth in the whoops. A very easy rider, just the way he makes everything look, it's not muscled, it's finessed. And if you can impart some of that wisdom to Hayden Deegan, help him in the whoops, help him, be a more complete rider, all for it. Now, he does have a quote saying, I was originally hoping to be back by Tampa this weekend, but I don't want to go out there not feeling fully ready. So, not going to give it a couple more weeks. Spent a lot of years rushing things and it never worked in my favor. Hope to be back behind the gate soon. Obviously, that is his basically his whole time after the 250s. He won his title, he got his 450 ride, and then it's been injury, 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 surgery, 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 surgery. If you see it, like if you ever see a picture of his arm, it is really different than the other one. They are not matched anymore, and it sucks. I mean, obviously, spent all that time in the 250s getting fill-in rides for the 450s, which kind of screwed a lot of his, what you would assume his championship contention a lot of years. And then finally gets his 450 ride with Husky and the elbow injury that just never seemed to go away. And then this one, he's healing from, I believe, a knee injury. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's what it was. So, I mean, I want to see him do well. You don't want to see like I like Christian Craig. I think he seems like a pretty easygoing guy, and if I want to see him get back on this bike, at least be competitive, man. Like he's probably not going to be a title contender at this point in any shape. I mean, what is he? Got to be in his. He's got to be 30, 31, 32, somewhere around there. He's got to be around Eli Tomac's age, and I just want to see him get back on the bike. Obviously, the Yamaha is going to be back where he won his title. Obviously, 450 instead of 250, but it's still the same team, same sort of comfort level. And if he can get back on his bike, be a top 10 guy, push for top fives, maybe hit a podium here and there, who knows? But more on that, just be able to, be back on the bike and racing, not just injured all the time. And hey, if he's just there to be a mentor to Deegan, all for it too. Obviously, they have a really good working relationship. It seems like, spending a lot of time together. You always see him in videos, so if that's part of his contract, that's awesome. Just help the younger generation move up and move forward, and that'd be great. But hopefully, when we do see him, it's going to be healthy and fast. Obviously, this weekend we are coming up to the 250 East side of things, so we won't be seeing Deegan. But that brings in Vial, Faulkner, Hampshire, a whole bunch of other people, Kitchen of all things. So comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win the 250 East? Who do you think is going to win this weekend in Tampa? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.